everybody, this is MBClark with MBClark Companies, and I'm here to talk about a very common term in the insurance industry called beneficiary. And what is a beneficiary? A lot of people know, but this is really something associated with life insurance policies. So when you get a life insurance policy, the beneficiary is going to be the person or the group that is going to receive the proceeds from your life insurance policy. You have a life insurance policy when something's going to happen to you, and the proceeds, the dollar amounts be paid out for the life insurance policy. The beneficiary is the person who's going to receive this information. It's really important that you go ahead and designate a beneficiary when you have a life insurance policy, because if you don't and you pass, then those proceeds could be delayed in getting to the people you intended to be the beneficiary of your life insurance policy. It's really important to go ahead and pick a beneficiary when you sign up your policy, because if you don't, if something happens and you pass and now those proceeds are going to be paid out, they can take a long time getting to those people. Like the courts could get involved, and it goes into probate. It just takes a lot of long time to get it figured out. So make sure you pick that beneficiary. It could be a spouse, it could be your dependent children, or it could even be a trust. So make sure you pick that beneficiary. And remember, expect the unexpected, prepare for the worst, and let us help you.